Oh, look at you. You're so pretty.
Hey guys, I'm with
Chuck.
and Sherry. We are at
Rocky River Reservation. Say that 10 times fast.
Say it 3 times. Do it. Try it.
No.
In North Olmsted, Ohio. We've been wanting to come here for a while. We were out this way for the RV show. So we are going to do a little hike. Maybe a
little hike through the Metro Park here.
Hike.
And there is a set of stairs.
Do you see them?
You can't see them. They're right back in there, over her head. Okay, that we're gonna hike up. So let's go see what they have to offer.
All right, it says enjoy over 5 miles of foot trails. Now it's deciding which trail to take.
Where the stairwell is at? Is what we're looking for. So so I know this. You are here.
Okay.
All right, and it's kind of like I don't believe this is orientated the correct way. Is it? Right? No, it's not. Okay.
Well, it probably is.
It's not. It needs to be like this here, because this is the nature center, which is right damn there.
You hear those airplanes? We're actually right next to the airport. Probably hear that.
Yeah.
Do you see the plane?
I can. So, where's the stairs at? Can you see it on here? It doesn't show it on here.
Fairfield Museum, Lawrence Grist Mill Ruins. We're gonna just walk to the nature center and just figure it out.
So to be honest, initially, this seems like a nice place. What do you think, Cher Bear?
So far, so good.
Right?
Yeah. I mean, I would love to really see it like summertime.
Why is it? What's the difference? I mean, there's different seasons bring different enjoyment.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Okay.
All right,
but what?
Have an opinion?
What if I don't like your opinion?
I don't really care.
That's not nice. So this is the nature center, and like I said, that "you are here" thing was wrong.
Is this open?
Yeah, of course. They got a birthday party going on. Here we are. We're gonna take a look inside, see what they got to offer for you kids.
So we're in the nature center. They have Chuck's favorite thing here. Snake.
That's your favorite.
Are you afraid of garter snakes?
No. They're no match for me.
Oh, turtle.
Hi,
hello. Yeah. What's over here?
If you come over here.
Okay, there's your section. Small mouth. They're little guys. Big fish.
Yeah.
That's about like your catch.
It's not very nice.
That's the size you catch right there. You're down there fly fishing?
Yes, not all of them.
No?
We are fishing.
I don't know about that.
What is that?
You'd probably rather do that
Who, me?
right now.
I would love to be doing that right now.
Cleveland's ancient sea. Look around. Where you are standing was once a warm sea, believed to be up to 300 feet deep. These prehistoric waters were full of life. When ancient fishes and aquatic plants died, they sunk to the muddy sea floor. Over millions of years, the sea mud hardened into a gray, flaky rock called shale. The creatures buried inside became fossils. The steep cliffs you see along the Rocky River are made of shell. As the river carves its path through the valley, the shell erodes slowly, revealing fossils that have been hidden for millions of years. That's pretty interesting. Did you know that?
What was that?
Wow, it just gave you a history lesson. You weren't even listening.
I was over there watching more important things, like This guy's
That's
fishing.
interesting. Anyways.
What was it? Tell me what
Never
it is.
mind. Nope, you can watch the video.
Oh, that's not nice. Or you just found this one.
What are you talking about?
Remember that place I found?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay,
Where you see like the sunrise or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. You didn't know you had to climb up steps. We were real late for that. Maybe sunset.
I should have worn my hiking pants.
Wow. That's a lot of steps. How many? Let's count. See you up at the top.
Yeah. Okay, so she was wondering how many steps. This says in 2016, Cleveland Metro Parks rebuilt the Fort Hill Stairs, originally installed in 1982. As you walk the 155 steps, Sherry, you will ascend 90 feet above Rocky River and be immersed in the breathtaking views leading to the prehistory mystery of the Fort Hill earthworks. Whatever that means.
Prehistory mystery.
Yes.
I like the way it sounds.
That's crazy.
I like it.
But I got through it.
155 steps.
155.
All right.
Uh-oh.
One.
Uh-oh.
What?
Caution, slick surfaces when wet or icy.
Okay, we're good.
Sounds like somebody going down.
No, I got a rail.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
Yep, let's go.
One.
Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna be honest.
Where are we at?
He got a leg burn. These are pretty steep, huh?
Yeah, they are.
We're going.
Do we have to come back down this way?
And my man up there, he was running down and hiking back up, getting his exercise in. Wow.
Wow, you gotta take a break.
See, he's taking breaks too. It's not easy, folks. You wouldn't think 155 stairs would be that much, huh? Huh?
Why do you have it on me, though?
Because that's what you do. Hey, look. Looky here. Yeah. Nobody care about that plane. Let's just take a break here, people. Oh, yeah. That's a nice view. Got a fisherman down there. Just enough time to take a breath, right?
Yeah.
How you feel?
I feel great. I've been working out. So, thank God for that.
Well, let's continue on.
Okay.
While the blood's pumping. Yeah.
For adrenaline.
Yep. I like to do it in sections. You know what I mean?
10 steps and then stop?
Yes. That's why they have these platforms, so you can stop.
No, it's so you can get a view.
Okay. Oh boy. We're almost there, I think.
Video.
Huh?
This way.
We're taking video here.
It's pretty. It's a pretty view.
Yeah.
It's kind of scary.
We're not all the way up there yet. Definitely a nice view. This guy stood down there tying his line. All right, let's go. Onward and upward. Oh, look at you. He's so pretty.
Thank you. I can run. Let's run the rest of that.
Hell no. Hell no. Okay. Last few steps here, folks. 155. Wow. Wasn't horrible. But we made it. Come on, last one. I can tell you all this, you wouldn't run up them other ones.
No. We did it.
We did it. Nice job. High five.
High five.
So once you get to the top here, there's a trail, of course. More work. But what did it say, Sherry? 5 miles?
Maybe 5 miles.
Worth of trails,
Yes.
right?
I don't know what trail's which, though. It doesn't say up here.
It doesn't, but
I guess we just keep going and hope for the best.
Mm-hmm. How's it going, buddy? Go Brownies. You working hard, huh? Yeah, he's been up and down them stairs. Oh my goodness. He's getting after it. All right, well.
Okay, let's
You want to mosey on and see what we can run into?
Let's do it. Come on.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
So, we took the right Y.
That's right.
Yeah. There was a fork in the road, a Y. We went right.
Yeah.
We're just gonna hike out a little bit to see, but I think the other one will give us better.
Joking. It's like
They don't care. They don't care.
I don't like that. Anyway, he likes to scare me and walk alongside the cliff because he knows.
This is no cliff. This is no anything.
Look at this.
So in her imagination, here, come stand over here real quick.
Oh, you scared me.
Just stand right here.
Over there.
So in her fears, she feels as though
Yeah, see, that's so ridiculous.
that I'm so unathletic, which is dead wrong, that I would just somehow trip over this or something and then stumble 150 feet down to the bottom of this damn ravine. Are you crazy? Huh? Now that may be something you would do.
Okay. It's kind of high up here.
Yeah, it's high, but I mean, what are you gonna do? You're gonna, I mean, even if, for instance, you fainted, you would just fall down on flat ground. Nothing happens.
Yeah, I don't like this feeling though.
Feeling of what?
Being this high.
But you want me to go in an aeroplane, but you won't walk this little
That's different.
hike. This is beautiful view. Look at that.
Ooh, Chuck.
Ooh, what? I kicked rocks. And she says, ooh, Chuck. Stuff I got to deal with.
Like these people are carving their initials and stuff in this tree over this edge. That's crazy to me.
Nah,
Yeah.
it's not that big a deal. All right.
It's about safety when you're hiking.
Safety first.
Always about that.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Let's keep it moving.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
So, I hate to admit when I'm wrong, but this lady kept talking about,
Yeah.
yeah, what?
It's just a loop. I mean, there's other trails that you can take from it, though.
Sure.
But you can't just loop around and then go back to the
Oh,
steps.
shoot. I thought I had you on video.
You know what? I can't with
Mm-hmm.
you. I can't with you.
Yeah, you doing it with me.
No.
But she was right. It's a loop.
Yeah.
And there it is. Where I wanted to go. Best of both worlds, right?
That's right.
What you looking at me for?
You're talking to me?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm pretty sure this is the Lagoon Loop Trail.
You said what trail?
Lagoon Loop. I thought we were supposed to be on Cedar Point something trail, but we turned around a little
Now,
bit.
this is what I want to know, guys.
What?
How come when someone individually does something wrong, they start saying we?
Well, you did too.
No, I didn't have nothing
Well,
to do
here's
with
what
any of that.
happened.
Go ahead.
I was showing. So
She's giving hand signals again and doing all this back behind camera.
I pulled up all trails to try to figure out where we were. And we're on the other side of the road, so we had to cross the street because we're hiking in the wrong direction. But Somebody here is crabby I got crabby all of a sudden and wouldn't even talk.
Because I can't get the damn game in, that's why.
Well, okay, Mr. Cleveland Browns guy, where's your Cleveland Browns gear today?
I got on brown underwear, you want to see it?
Okay. Yeah, let me see.
Yeah.
You ain't no Browns fan.
All right, so looks like we got a beaver acting up. We got a little pond at our house. We got a beaver that causes trouble back there, tearing stuff all the way down and blocking stuff up for no damn reason. What do you think about that?
I think they just living their best lives.
Yeah, but they're disruptive at times.
It's their home.
It is.
So.
But then sometimes you gotta what do they call them? We take them, relocate them. Yeah.
How did you relocate the beaver?
No, nobody wants to know that. Don't
No,
ask me that.
You didn't. Are you doing that?
Yeah. I had nothing to do with that,
No.
but somebody did. Yeah, this is a decent trail, I guess. At least we're along the water with no fishing poles.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where's your
what?
backpack fishing pole that
It's in the camper, because he said leave it in the camper. That way I always have it when we go
you
camping.
said when we're hiking too? You
But
bring
it's
it
in
with
the,
you.
it's in the camper.
Okay.
So if I keep it in the truck, we're in your car, so then I wouldn't have it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
So it's gonna stay in the camper.
Okay.
All right.
So hike and smile.
Ugh.
Enjoy your company.
Yeah. No Browns game. They probably beating the brakes off the Steelers right now. And I have no clue.
I wanna get too close, gonna get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear
So, Chuck always makes fun of me for stopping and taking pictures and video of different stuff, and now he's starting to get into it, and now he's stopping every 2 minutes. I don't even know where he's at. He's over there taking video or pictures of something in the water. I think he's messing with the birds, the ducks, I don't know. But yeah, pretty funny how that changed. Now he's stopping. Oh, here he comes. Let's see what he says. So what were you doing over there?
Taking pictures of them bum geese.
Oh, why were you doing that?
What do you mean why?
Well, you used to yell at me all the time.
So this is what happens, guys. She's right. She yells at me, but in return she yells at me.
What?
No, I yell at her,
Yes.
and in return she yells at me.
No, I didn't yell at you.
You don't take enough pictures. You don't take enough
No,
video.
that's
you don't
not.
do this.
No,
you don't
you're.
do that.
I didn't
That's
say
all I
that.
hear.
No.
Yeah,
Okay, whatever. Like,
There you go.
yeah.
She want to take pictures of the damn. Probably was taking pictures of the planes before I came over here.
I
How
may
many
have.
photos of the planes can you take, Sherry?
Okay, but can you just tell the truth? Like, you're like in with taking pictures and you're enjoying it now.
No.
Okay, bye. Done.
All right, so here we are, Rocky River. These guys are float fishing. For what, I'm not sure. Maybe trout, maybe steelhead. Looks like they got some type of live bait, a minnow or something on there. Fly fishing. Out here having fun. What is it, January 8th? January the 8th in Ohio. We don't have any snow on the ground, but it is a little over 36 degrees-ish. Huh? She said, yeah, sure. But they're out there fishing. Diehards. Gotta love it. Looks like we got one. He's got one. Let's see what he got. Oh, he's got one too. Missed him. He had one. He missed it. Yeah, he's got a nice steelhead. Wow. That's a good one. That is a good one. Let me see if I can get him to hold it up if he gets it. He looks like he's hung up in a tree a little bit. Out here steelhead fishing. Right at the bottom here. Any good angler would know that's what they hold. He knows the language. He's gonna show me. Awesome. These kids out here having fun. I don't think one of them's over 16, maybe 16. Gotta love it. All right.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
It wasn't too bad of a hike. Now
was
the
nice.
stairs got me for a minute.
Stairs were not so great.
But we
Actually,
survived.
they weren't so bad.
They weren't bad.
No.
Nice little loop up top, as she
Yeah.
said.
It was.
There were other trails that she could have taken a little lower, like the
It's
low
a
road or the high
big
road. We took
park.
the high road.
Yeah.
It is a very big park. So we drove to this area here, which was, I think it was the lagoon picnic area where the kids are back there catching steelhead.
Yeah.
Is what it was. He held it up for me. But
It's a nice little hike for a Sunday afternoon.
Yes.
30 degrees. I don't
Uh-huh.
know, whatever weather it is, but
Sure.
it's nice to get out.
It is beautiful to get out.
Yeah.
So, with no arguments this time. Besides the damn Browns game.
Yeah.
But it's 7-7 right now. Just in case anybody wanted to know.
By
Brown
the time you
Steelers.
watch this, it's already going to be way long over.
Right. Hopefully we foiled the Steelers playoff hopes.
All right.
Until next time.
Safe travels.